Hi friends, this is Vicki with Gramma Vicki Crafts, and today I have made one of these circle wreath rings that I've seen all over the internet, and this is my take on it. And what I have done, I will show you if you follow me along now. So let's get started. So to start making this ring wreath, I'm using this ring, and it's 12 inches wide. And I've got this, it's just called Decor. And I got this some time ago at the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to use this for my base to stand the ring up onto, like this. So in order to do that, I've taken 4 of the Jenga blocks and I've hot glued, no I haven't, I used the Weld bond glue and I glued 2 together, and I'm going to Weld bond it down onto my base, and then I'm going to put my ring in and I'm going to measure to see the distance where I want to put the second 2 blocks of the Weld bond, so that I can just then glue my ring right down in between them, and hopefully it won't go anywhere. So I'm going to start with doing that. So I'm going to take my Weld bond glue and I'm going to put some glue all along the bottom, and I'm going to glue it all down, and we'll get our base ready. So while this is setting up to dry, I'm going to just set that aside and go over some of the items that we're going to be using to put on the ring wreath. So I've got an assortment of gold Christmas balls, and some are large, some, well, not too large, but some are larger than others. And then I have some small ones. And then I even have some of the glittered vase filler, and I would use the gold ones from there as well. Then I have a string of lights, and I'm going to put this around there as well. And I have some picks from the Dollar Tree and some gold poinsettias. And I've even got a little pick of the holly berries that I might add in just for a little bit of color. So we'll see as we go along how this is going to come together. So now that my tumbling blocks are set and my hot glue gun is hot, I'm going to put some hot glue down in where I'm going to place my ring between the tumbling tower blocks here. And then I'm going to stick my ring down in there. Just like so. And we're going to hold that for a little bit to make sure that it holds. In fact, I might put some more also just on top, because we're going to be covering this up anyway. So we want it to hold really well and not fall over when we get our little decorations on it. So I'm going to let that set up now, and then we'll carry on. So I went ahead and I glued 2 more of the Jenga blocks together, and I used the Weld bond glue to glue that down on top. So now that looks like it's going to be really secure. So then I'm going to take these little, what are they called? Snow greenery. I'm just going to clip them off of this little bush here that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to hot glue these all along, all the way up and around, and then I'm going to put the little balls on. But I just want to put something down on here first. So I'm going to try this and see. I've never made this before, so this is, we're learning as we go along here, guys. So we'll just go along, and I'm going to hot glue this little greenery all along my circle here. And then I've also got lights that I want to put on, so I'm not sure if I'm going to put them on before the balls. I'll see once I get this all glued around here. We'll see how it looks. So I have the greenery all glued on all the way around, and I have a set of lights also that I've glued on, and I've got lots more yet to go on, but I'm going to now start gluing my assorted balls all on, and then I'm going to intertwine my lights all back up and around as I go along with all my balls. So I'll get started and show you how I get along. So this is how it's coming along. I'm putting the balls on different sizes as I go up and around. So I'll see how far I want to go with my balls, and I'll just continue. So now I've gone up both sides from the base, sort of equally, and I'm just going to see how many little balls I've got left, and I'm going to continue as far as I can, and then I think I'll use some little poinsettias to fill in all in and around. So this is what's happening so far with my little project here. Now, I've glued down all my balls on both sides so far. Then I found a frosted greenery pick. I think I got this at the Dollar Tree. I'm sure I did. And I've just been cutting off some little sprigs, and I've been putting it in and around, thinking that might look kind of cute. It's not glued down yet, but I'll see if I like that as I go along. Now, also down in the bottom, I have an opening down in here. So I have myself a little piece of floral foam that I cut to fit. So I've just put that down in there, and then I think I'm going to just poke in a few of the little poinsettia flowers when the time comes, and I'll just stick them into the foam, and maybe along with a little bit of the greenery pieces that I've cut up as well. So then I've got some little openings between the balls, and from my pick that I had originally, the pick, I had some cute little gold clusters. So I've cut those up, and I'm just also placing some of that just to fill in some of those holes. Then of course we have the lights, and I'm just intertwining them around, and I've got all of these yet to come all around and down to the bottom as I go along. So I think it's starting to look pretty cute. And now I also found a snowy pick that I had just in my stash, and I cut the branches there, and I think I'm going to glue that in the middle at the top. And then part of my pick had a couple of these pine cones, and they're the gold glittered, and so I thought that I would put that on the top there as well. So I'll probably go ahead and glue those items up there now, and I'll just carry on. So here we are. We now have the Christmas centerpiece ring completed. So I think it turned out pretty nice, actually. I've never done one before, so I'm quite proud of this. And I've got the battery pack in the back, and it's mostly hidden by poinsettias back there. And I think that my friend is going to really like this. So just a few balls and a few pieces of things that I had in my stash, and a set of lights. Now you could use just plain lights if you wanted to. I had the multicolor in my stash, and that is what I used. So just before I thought it was complete, I added a couple more of the snowy little greenery. What was it called? Frosted greenery that I got from the Dollar Tree. I just added a couple more up top and a couple more underneath, and I think that now just finishes it off. So if this is something you'd like to try, I hope you will. Please give me a big thumbs up for all my effort, at least, and please comment, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And always remember to be kind, and thank you so much for watching. Bye now.